start with chapter number 4, animating the text and the objects of PowerPoint. जो text होते हैं, जो different objects होते हैं आपके PowerPoint में, हम उसको कैसे animate करेंगे? We'll tell you in this chapter, right? Step by step. Now, animating text and object. So we can say that in your presentation you will choose the object. भाई जिस भी object को आप animate करना चाहते हैं आप उसको choose करेंगे. Into the animation tab, what you will do in the advanced animation group, click on animation pane button. आप animation pane button पे जाएंगे. And afterward, after going to animation pane button, you will go to advanced animation group, click on add animation. You will see drop down menu, which will have following 4 types. जिसमें आपके 4 types entrance, right, exit, impresses and motion path. Entrance में आप green color का use कर सकते हो. For exit, animation type will be red. Emphasis के लिए yellow होगा और आपका motion path के लिए जब आप object को क्या करोगे, move करो. ठीक है, it is used to move the object from one place to another. Now place your mouse on the animation effect. Select the animation effect that you like from the menu, and number will appear near the object. Right? So duration field of the timing group can be used to set the timing for effects. Dialog box can be used so that you can delay the time before animations. Play button in the animation pane can preview the effect. Recorder button जो होगा वो आपका modify करेगा order को, मतलब जो भी effects हैं उन जो का रोल है उनको modify. How to add animation to PowerPoint in 2 simple steps. First is to add entrance. First of all, click on the object you want to animate. In this example, we will use a blue smiley face. हम blue smiley face का use करेंगे. Select the animation you want to use. For this example, we use the entrance animation. So fade animation जो duration होगा वो 2.75 seconds का होगा. And you will notice the screenshot below that fade animation as no effect option. इसमें कोई भी किसी भी तरीके का कोई effect option नहीं हो. हम क्या करेंगे? Fade animation को choose करेंगे. There are no effect option. अगर हम फेड एनिमेशन की बात करें कोई भी इफेक्ट ऑप्शन वहाँ पे नहीं होगा है, राइट. यू कैन एडजस्ट सेटिंग. आप सेटिंग्स में जाकर जितने भी आपको एडवांस एनिमेशन टाइमिंग्स वगैरह को चेंज करना आप वो कर सकते हैं. द नंबर 1 रेफर्स टू द फैक्ट दैट वी हैव एडेड वन एनिमेशन टू अदर ऑब्जेक्ट. यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द प्रीव्यू बटन और आप एनिमेशन को प्रीव्यू भी कर सकते हैं, राइट. नाउ एडिंग ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट. अब हम कोई ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट डालना चाहते हैं प्रेजेंटेशन पे. Then you will choose the desired slide. You will choose the desired slide and click on transition tab. You will see transition to this slide group, right? Click more and choose the transition effect from the option to see the current slide to preview the chooser effect, right? In the transition to the slide group, choose effect option to choose an effect for the chooser transition. So in the sound option of the timing group, choose any sound effect and click on preview to hear the sound. So in the duration box of the timing group, what you will do? You will enter transition timing to check on the mouse click if you want to switch to the next slide of the mouse click. Now check after the checkbox if you want to choose a slide so that you want the next slide. अगर आप चाहते हैं जो अगली slide है वो automatically move कर, तो आप उसको choose करेंगे and you will apply to all option. And in the slide slow, you will click from beginning or from beginning to that आपकी slide अपने आप move करती रहेगी. Now we want to insert a sound clip. For inserting, you will choose a desired slide जिसमें भी आप चाहते हैं audio add कर. Then you will go to the media group on the insert tab. A dialog box appear. You can choose the sound from there on clicking the insert. Right now, speaker icon will appear on the slide and 2 tabs: format and playback. Choose either automatically or on click from the drop down menu so that in the field you will do playback. If automatically option is chosen, the sound will start automatically. जो slide appear होगी, if on click is chosen, तो sound will start when you click. Sound start हो जाएगा जब भी आप क्या करेंगे? Click करेंगे. You will click on speaker icon to play the sound. Then select the slide and go to insert tab. Click on audio arrow of media group. Select the record audio option and dialog box will appear. Click on the record button and start recording audio and you will click on stop when it is done. And you will play to listen for the recording and click OK if you are satisfied with the record. अगर आप satisfied हो recording से then you will click on OK. So once the audio file inserted, audio clip will insert in your slide. Right? Now inserting video clip. Video clip can make your presentation more lively and appealing to the audience. To insert and add video clip to the presentation, follow the given steps. आप कुछ steps follow करोगे. Go to the insert tab and choose video from the media group and insert dialog box will appear. You will select the desired clip and you will click on insert. In the same way, you may also add clip art video to your slides. You will observe that format and the playback tab will appear whenever the inserted video is clipped. जैसे ही आप inserted video पे click करेंगे. The video can be formatted by going to the format tab and you will choose from the menu option. You will click on the video clip and play button will below the clip will be shown and you will see that video starts playing. The timeline near the play button start advancing and you may also click anywhere on the timeline so that to move that part of the video. Now using action button. So in PowerPoint we can insert a link to a web page, file, slide in same presentation, slide and other presentation by using action button. Now to choose the action button, I will tell you some steps like we have open any of your existing जो भी आपने presentation बनाई है आप उसको open कर लीजिए, right? Go to insert tab, illustration, shape drop down arrow will be there. You will choose the action button that you want. Let's choose the action button play option. The action settings dialog box will appear when the button is released. You will select the mouse click if you want to be performed when action button is clicked on. If you want the action to be performed when mouse is hovered over the action button. Next is step 5. You will go to the action on click section, choose hyperlink, then click on drop down arrow, choose the option from the menu that appears, right? Then you will check the play sound. आप play sound checkbox को click करोगे and now start the slideshow and click or hover over the action button so that you can see the action, whatever action you can see. Now importing data. अब आप Word से क्या कर सकते हैं? Data को import भी कर सकते हैं. How? You will open a Microsoft Word, go to View tab, click on Outline button in the document. You will type some text that is given in the image. Select first point to Home tab and heading 1 from Style. Then you can choose second point, third point, fourth point like this. And then you will click Save on Quick Access toolbar. You will see that Save As dialog box will appear and write global warming in the space. आप ऐसे global warming लिखेंगे और save कर दें. Right? Then you will go to Home tab. So locate the place where the Word file global warming is stored. Choose the file and click on Insert. You will see that the new slide है वो आपकी insert हो जाएगी. Like this, new file will be insert. Right? Now we have done with the chapter. Let's move to the exercise. First is tick the correct option. First is the sound file that are recorded by us to be added to our presentation. They are given extension -WB. Animation effect can be applied on text, charts, images and graphic, both. If we want to add a link from one slide to another or a link to a web page or play some sound, we can use transition effect, action button or formatting effect. Action button. This type of animation will define how the object moves if it enters your slide. अगर वो आपकी slide में enter करा तो it is motion path. We need to go to the dash to view the transition effect. We will go to slide shorter view. Next is fill in the blanks. The effects that we see during a slideshow when one slide advances to the next. They are called, what should we call it? We call it transition effect. The already existing button that can be used to add hyperlinks to your presentation are called. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Hyperlinks. We cannot record sound without connecting a बिना माइक्रोफोन के कनेक्ट करे हम साउंड को रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकते. Dash is the ability to move text, graphics, charts in the direction of slide that you like. Animation. Clicking on dash button. जब हम क्लिक करेंगे किस पे? एक्शन बटन पे वी विल स्टार्ट द साउंड, और हम क्या स्टार्ट करेंगे? साउंड. Now write T for true and F for false statement. We cannot add sound to the text or graphics in our PowerPoint presentation. False. We can add. We can choose from variety of transition effect to decide how the object will exit when the slide advances. It's true. Home tab consists of media group. Home tab पे media group होता है. It's false. My tab पे होता है. We can change the size of speaker icon and can even move it to another position. It's true. We cannot add video clips to our presentation. False. We can add. Now answer the following question. How do you know about, what do you know about animation? आप animation के बारे में क्या जानते हो? कैसे हमारे लिए useful है? What are the steps to insert sound to a slide? Elaborate on the use of action button. आपको action button के बारे में बताना है. What are the two ways to change the order? अगर आप order change करना चाहते हैं animation का, animation pane में, तो how you will do? What are the steps to be followed for adding a transition effect? What are the steps to be followed to import data from a Word file? You have to explain with an example. आपको example के साथ बनाना है, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.